What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Mark here. Welcome into the Crypto Mark. And Brett on Base is continuing its move. All right, I want to talk to you guys about it, get into some of the numbers and a little bit of the kind of sentiment within investors as we look for Brett in this price uptrend continuing. We're going to break down kind of the broader market here on this Thursday. So if you guys hold all Brett, hold any Brett on Base, make sure you guys all stick around to the end of this video and please subscribe down below. Okay, but let's get into it. Remember though, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence with everything crypto and financial. All right, and we are going to be talking about this Brett price uptrend, okay, as we all await those ever coveted gains. A lot of positive signals out there in the market. I do want to share with you guys the chart. We're starting to consolidate a little bit right now in this range around 13 cents to 16 cents. So if we do get another breakout where we were sniffing that $2 billion market cap, that will be something that I think that it would be very enticing for a lot of investors, right? We saw this crazy move up from May up into the early part of June, June 6th, June 7th, where we got as high as around 19.19. We really did come close to hitting a 2 billion. I think we did for a little bit, but then that quickly sold off. So, I'm very bullish on Brett. There's a lot of B's to go around, but for me and my holdings, right, I'm holding, we're not even close to where we need to be within Coinbase and what that's going to be unveiled by. So like I said, super bullish for Brett. This little drop that we're seeing, I think this is all programmed for my liking. I think we're going to bounce off of 13 really nicely. Barring some unforeseen circumstance where we do fall off and just completely sell off, down below and we give back that zero, I still think this is kind of a $1 billion crypto floor. All right, so that's just my thoughts. We see this pretty much every year, though. Holidays, 4th of July is no exception. We do get kind of a overall market sell-off, a little correction, whatever you want to call it. It happens. I don't know why it happens. I actually do know why it happens, but I don't know why that stuff happens that makes this happen. I just think it's a waste of time, effort, and money. So that's neither here nor there. That's some traditional finance stuff that kind of boggles my mind from time to time, but either way you look at it, it still trickles down into crypto, and that's where that the institutions are still live within crypto. But within this, we have seen kind of more positive signals for Brett. Even though we've fallen, you've seen a lot of open interest continue to grow. All right, we're at $34.8 million within open interest. That's going to help with the floor. That's going to really maintain a lot of buying pressure, okay? Really give way to a lot of investors to want to be in Brett, okay? The RSI is very neutral, which is not necessarily a bad thing. There's really no catalyst. We're still waiting for that steam, that overall market to just kind of turn the corner. So that way, if you do want to talk about kind of getting, in some crazy territory, the whales have to be able to swim, and that's where the water has to be perfect. Conditions have to be perfect. Brett's been kind of defying the market, in my opinion. A lot of meme coins, a lot of cryptos have been down, but Brett continues to rise. That's a good thing. Beating to its own drum, that's a very good thing in crypto, because when you're not subject to those broader market, moves, then you can kind of come out ahead. Okay, but the biggest thing right now for us guys is a new all-time high. We do need to bust through that $2 billion market cap. We hit that 0.19. That's the current all-time high, roughly. But like we've seen within the chart, it's right here in front of us. Okay, I'm not going to zoom in too much, but you can see it here, relatively speaking. This is a very nice consolidation pattern. Okay, and it's more so. Sorry, that was a horrible line. It's more so right here, okay? Because this is the middle. Okay, so this is where we're seeing this. Because I don't really view this red drop that we're seeing of any substantiality. I think this is more so just, kind of centered around the 4th of July weekend. But this blue line is kind of where we're at in terms of our consolidation midpoint. This would be at around 15 cents. For me, that's kind of this range that I'm happy to trade Brett in. For what it looks like, it's around 13 cents to about 17 cents. So like I said, we do have 2 cents in either direction of this midpoint that kind of gives us that leeway. And then that's where we have to really look at this breakout pattern that could form if we bust through 17 cents, because we sniffed 20, but it's not close. 20 is going to take something, right? We all know how in crypto, how easy it is to get from, $1 million market cap to $10 million market cap. Once you hit that $100 million market cap, it's really easy to get to $1 billion market cap. Well, we're seeing some resistance right here. So, that $1 to $2 billion, it shouldn't be much, but, once you get up in those B's, watch out, because that's where it gets weird. So, for Brett, very bullish road lies ahead. I'm super bullish for Brett. I wanted to share with you guys a little bit, because within some of that, some of the metrics that are showing, right, that 14 to 16 cents range is where we're going to have a lot of consolidation. But right now we're seeing a lot of metrics and bullish signs within crypto that are showing, when you put it all together, the only way for Brett is up. Okay, so that's kind of how I feel about it. As always, though, guys, remember, not financial advice. Always do your research and due diligence. But if you do want to help out the channel, make sure you guys all consider subscribing on your way out. Also, we have some awesome channel sponsors. If you do trade on leverage, make sure you use my link down below. Get signed up for Margex today. A lot of people have been having some success on that leverage trading platform, trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, all your favorite cryptos. So, like I said, links down below. Appreciate you guys watching. Have a great rest of your day, great holiday, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.